Hello students, Spelling Vocabulary Class, Episode 4. Today we will play with O family words. Let us start with OB, OB family words. So, ROB, Rob, SOB, Sob, JOB, Job, MOB, Mob, KNOB, Knob, THROB, Throb. So these are some OB family words. Now for meanings, rob is taking, snatching something forcefully, unlawfully from someone. Imagine a man who enters the bank and says, "Give me all your money," to the manager. The manager cannot help anything, but he gives away all the money. The man takes all the money by force and leaves the bank. So this is a robbery. The man robs the bank. Now sob, SOB, sob. Look how the baby girl is crying. Yes, she is not crying loudly. She is sobbing, weeping silently. So this is sobbing. Sob. Job. Job is a piece of work. Any work, action. Like a job of a student is to study. So studying is your job. Mob is crowd. When many people gather together, that is called a mob. Now knob. Mind the spelling KNOB, knob. So where is this pronunciation of K? K is silent here. So when K is pronounced before N, usually K is silent, like knowledge, knob, knock. So KNOB, knob. That is the handle of the door. Throb. Throb is a bit feeling. When some of our body parts ache, that means it is in pain, like a headache. So we feel a the sound, a beating sound, a throb inside our head. Look, the girl has a wound in her leg and she is crying. So she is feeling a throb inside her fingers. Now notice something new in this episode. That is circles. Yes, some of the words are within circles. Why? Because they are nouns. I have identified nouns and drew a circle around the nouns. So from the next slide, you will also have to do the same thing. You just identify nouns from the given words and circle them. Now odd family words. ROD, rod, COD, cord, GOD, god, NOD, nod, ODD, odd. So these are some examples of odd family words. You know the meanings of rod. You can see the pictures also. Cod is a fish, and cod liver oil is a very healthy food, full of vitamins. Now, God, you know. Nod. What is nod? Nod is moving of heads. See the video? That is nodding. And odd is peculiar. Yes, something that is not normal. So, learn the words, learn the meaning, and circle the nouns. Now, OG family words like LOG, log, D-O-G, dog. F-O-G, fog. H-O-G, hog. B-L-O-G, blog. F-R-O-G, frog. So these are some oak family words which have OG ending. Now when trees are cut, that cut piece of trees is called log, and this log of wood are used to make furnitures like bed, a dressing table, etc. etc. Dog is our favorite animal, a domestic animal, and fog is, you can see in winter, in the morning you cannot see anything properly, clearly. There is always a hazy layer in the air. That haziness is called fog. Hog is pig. Yes, pig. You can see the picture of a pig, and you got this word pig in earlier episode when you learned IG, eek family words. Now blog is a website for creative writing. When you will grow up, if you develop a fondness for writing, you can write in blogs so that many people can read your writings. And frog, you can see the picture of a frog. It is a op, op, op family words. Top, mop, hop, shop, crop, drop, flop. Top is the highest point. Yes. And mop, we clean our floor with a mopper. So the activity of cleaning our floor is mopping, mop. Hop is short jump. Yes. See, the rabbit is hopping. Shop, we all know, that is a store, a small store from where we buy our necessary products. Crop, see, farmers have cultivated crops, that green crops, they're harvested, so farmers grow crops for us and we meet our hunger. Drop, you can see the picture of water drop. These are very known words to you. And flop is also a known word for you, because you know that we say that the movie is a flop movie or the movie is a hit movie. So when something do not get success, this is called flop. So you know the meanings now, and so please circle the noun again, identify nouns and circle them. And if you have any problem understanding what is noun and you cannot identify nouns, then please see the earlier episode. I am trying to attach a link of that episode. So see the episode, watch it, and you will get a clearer understanding of nouns. Now, last, OT, odd family words. COT, cot, DOT, dot, LOT, lot, GOT, got, HOT, hot, NOT, not, KNOT, not. Yes, in the last two rows, you can find the same pronunciation, not. One is NOT not, another is KNOT not. So see, both the pronunciation are the same, but they are different in spelling and they are different in meanings also. NOT not means that no more. But KNOT not is, you can see the picture of a knot. No? Yes. So mind the differences of spelling. Now cot is bed. Dot, we all know that dot is a round mark. Dot means many. Hot means warm. So you can read and see the pictures and get the meanings from this slide. But Again, you have to identify nouns from this list of words and circle them. Again, to remind you that nouns are names of anything. So, if you can find names of a thing here or names of a feeling here, anything you find a name, you please identify it as a noun and circle them. Now the final list. OCK, OCK family words. MOCK, mock. DOCK, dock. LOCK, lock. KNOCK, knock. BLOCK, block. FLOCK, flock. SHOCK, shock. OY family words. Boy, toy, joy, enjoy, royal, Roy. OW words. No, KNOW, no. But BOW is bow, bow. To put your head down, that is bow. Yellow, hollow, pillow, below. So these are the OW family words. Now OX family words. Ox, box, fox. Please learn these words. It will help you to develop a basic sense of spelling. Now, identify nouns and circle them. And in the next episode, I will attach an answer sheet so that you can check whether you are wrong or you are right. And that's the way it will help you to self-check and inspire self-learning. As we are talking about nouns, I just want to mention one thing, that there are 5 categories of nouns, 5 types of nouns, and they're proper noun, common noun, material noun, collective noun, and abstract noun. Abstract noun you already know, in the previous class we have discussed, but for the rest 4 nouns we will discuss it later. As per now, you just only know the names of the categories. And now our favorite cultural activity part. Look outside your window. What do you see? Draw a colorful picture of the scene outside and find out nouns. You may write those words in the comment box. So watch the video. Listen to all the things that is discussed in the class. Then take a pause to each slide and write all those words in cursive style. Pronounce words while writing. Learn the meanings of the words. Mug up spellings. Memorize meanings. Circle noun. And last but not the least, draw the view outside your window. Thank you.